I'm Katrina Cotton for InvestmentPitch Media. Thanks for joining us today. Ximen Mining, on track to be one of British Columbia's greenest gold mines, received the draft of the Mines Act permit from the BC government for the underground development program at its Kenville Gold Mine. The company has now received 2 permits in draft, one from the Ministry of Environment and this recent one from the Ministry of Energy, Mines and Low Carbon Innovation. The draft environmental permit was received earlier and has been reviewed and approved by Ximen. The company has now submitted its final responses and anticipates the final permit to be issued shortly. The company's 100% owned Kenville Gold Mine project at Nelson in southeastern British Columbia was the first recorded underground mine in British Columbia, having started production in 1890 and mined into the 1950s. The historical production records show 65,381 ounces gold produced from 158,842 tons milled, for a recovered grade of 12.8 grams per ton or 0.37 ounces per ton gold. Although management cautions that these are historic estimates and should not be treated as current mineral resources. This important Mines Act permit from the Ministry of Energy, Mines and Low Carbon Innovation finalized items related to the permit area shown on this map and set the amount of the reclamation security bond at $103,800. It approved the following key activities: establishment of the new Venango portal and 1,200 meters of decline development at this portal with associated remux, safety bays, and sumps. Authorizes an underground exploration drilling program of 20,250 meters from the new Venango decline. Establishment of one waste rock storage facility of approximately 3,750 square meters. Installation of surface water management structures, location of one portable office structure, on-site fuel storage using 2 4,550 Enviro tanks. Christopher Anderson, president and CEO, stated, "The company is very pleased with the permit draft and has reviewed the conditions that apply prior to and during the development program, a majority of which have already been met. Ximen is making a final review of the exact wording and conditions. Once our review has been completed and relayed to the Mines Department, the final Mines Act permit is expected to be received." This permit brings us one step closer to moving forward into a more sustainable, self-reliant economy, working at expanding the art of underground mining, a long, industrious trade that empowers those executing the work with a sense of accomplishment and pride, while maintaining our environment and utilizing hydro, a green energy source, to advance the project. The draft permit specifically requires that construction must be completed under the supervision of a professional engineer, including items such as development and implementation of a ground control management plan consistent with industry standards. A foundation inspection must be completed by a professional engineer prior to construction of a waste rock dump, following the design and other recommendations prepared by the professional engineer. A monitoring well pair, both shallow and deep, located near the underground workings must be installed and continuously monitored for water levels. Implement an archaeological chance find procedure outlining actions required if previously unknown heritage resources are encountered during project construction or operation. It is management's objective to preserve this site as it has been for the last 100 years and create many impactful, meaningful, and well-paying jobs for the region, as well as maintaining a small environmental footprint, aiming to be one of the greenest gold producers in BC and a leader in the industry. In 2009, previous operators conducted detailed sampling on the 257 level of the Kenville mine, and based on the results, an historic mineral resource was estimated, showing 16,289 ounces gold in the measured and indicated categories, along with 356,949 ounces gold in the inferred category. Ximen also owns 100% of 3 precious metal projects located in southern BC, the Amelia Gold Mine, the Brett Epithermal Gold Project, and the Treasure Mountain Silver Project adjacent to the past-producing Huldra Silver Mine. Currently, the Treasure Mountain Silver Project is under an option, with the option partner making annual stage cash and stocks payments, as well as funding the project. The shares are currently trading at 12.5 cents. For more information, please visit the company's website, XXMMiningcorp.com. Contact Christopher R. Anderson, President and CEO, at 604-488-3900. For investor relations, contact Sophie Cesar at 604-488-3900 or by email at ir@xxmminingcorp.com. I'm Katrina Cotton for Investment Pitch Media.